Found a KQFZVPL file with no obvious application association? This unusual extension typically indicates encrypted or obfuscated application data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you investigate these encrypted application data files. A quick note, our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. KQFZPL files are unusual extension files often associated with encrypted or obfuscated application data, including encryption tools, backup utilities, or application-specific protected storage. The cryptic extension may indicate intentional obfuscation, requiring identification of the originating application for proper handling. KQFZVPL files likely use an application-specific encrypted format with cryptographic protection of the underlying data. Without identifying the source application, the encryption scheme and required credentials cannot be determined. The file may include encryption, metadata, authentication tokens, and ciphertext payloads. For direct reading of KQFZPL content, the best choice is HXD developed by Mael Hertz. To access all data streams, audios or video subtitles, a dedicated media container handler is required. Windows cannot reveal the underlying information, so decoding software must be used. The fastest route to success is testing all the options. Right-click the KQFZPL file and hit Open With. Use HXD if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. When your KQFZPL file does not open, it is usually a small issue. If your KFZPL file is still uncooperative, the time for guessing is over. Let's test these primary failure points immediately to confirm the source. First, investigating file origin. Examine the KQFZVPL file in a hex editor like HXD, looking for application signatures or recognizable headers in the first bytes. Search any readable strings online to identify the source. Check the location where the file was found for clues about the originating application or service. Next, trying decryption tools. If the file is suspected ransomware encrypted, check ID ransomware website by uploading a sample for identification. If a decryptor exists, it may be available through No More Ransom project. For legitimate application encryption, identify and use the originating application with the correct credentials or recovery key. Finally, contacting file source. Contact the person who provided the KQFZVPL file or the IT environment where it originated. They can identify the application credentials and intended use. For legitimately encrypted business data, corporate IT may have decryption tools or recovery procedures specific to the originating encryption system. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.